Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will demonstrate the concept of inheritance using single inheritance in C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. I will put a link in the video description guys so that you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, so I'm using Linux Mint as my operating system in my computer. So I'm using code blocks, okay, in Linux, no? So my working environment or IDE. Sharp include IOStream, line number 1 for input output, give string namespace std. We have here I created a class, salary public float, salary we have 12,000, close, and then I have another class, clerk, which inherit the public salary here. So public float bonus 2,000. We close int main, it is the starting point of every C++ program. I call the class here clerk, and then I create an object emp1. So the title of the program, simple inheritance in C++, new line, employee salary emp1 dot salary, this one, and then for inheritance emp1 the bonus. A new line here, return 0, it will return to our operating system, and then we close. Okay, so when we run our program, we have here the output. Single inheritance in C++, employee salary 12,000, employees bonus 2,000. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on single inheritance in C++ programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.